APA style is a clean format that you can use to visualize your table in a research paper. However, many people don't know how to apply it these days. In this video, I will show you how to transform your default table into APA style and make it professional. APA style for tables involves creating clear, consistent, and well-organized tables. To present data in research papers, each table should have a numbered title, concise column headings, minimal use of borders, and notes to explain any abbreviations or additional information. This format should use Times New Roman font, 12-point size, and align text and numbers appropriately. Before formatting the output table in SPSS into the APA style, let's see how the default style looks like. So let's make a cross tabs based on these two variables, the gender and also the math level. Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then select Cross Tabs. Here, let's select the math level for the row and gender for the column. Then click OK. This is the default format that SPSS provides for us as the output table. And let's transform this table automatically into the APA style without causing any problem. So go back to the data view window, and then at the top menu here, select Edit, scroll down, and then select Options. Great, you have several options here that SPSS provides. Click at Pivot Tables at the top here, and then select APA Times Roman 12 point. We have two APA style here, but I prefer to use the Times New Roman because this is what researchers use in common research in the world. And you see the sample here. This is what your table will look like in the output table for all tables that you conduct in the further analysis. And then click OK. Great, nothing happened. Let's just prove the setup that we done before. Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then select Cross Tabs. After that, let's create a new cross tabs using the APA style based on the same existing variable. Click OK, and great, you have the new output table using APA style automatically, and it is applied to all your table that you do after this process. You see the difference here that APA style provides more clean and concise table, and also it's nice to see. And if you want to undo this process, you don't want to use APA style anymore, let's just get back to data view window and then go to Edit, Options, and after that at the pivot tables here, click System Default and then click OK. Now your further table will be applied to the default options that SPSS provides, and you can copy the table in the output window here. Click it, right click, and then copy. After that, open the Mirosoft Word that contains your research, right click, and then just select Keep Source Formattings as Paste Options. Now your APA style table is ready to serve for your research. See you in the next video.